About 24 hours ago, I got scammed on eBay. So when the orders came in, I decided to sell these codes on eBay. Now, I understand that the likelihood of getting scammed on eBay by selling digital goods is very, very high. And the reason for that is because you can send the code to the buyer and then the buyer can say, oh, it's used already or it doesn't work. And then they will file a dispute saying that, oh, this code never worked and there is nothing you can do about it. That is a risk that I 1000% understood. However, they got me in a different way. So here's how it went. I had 3 PlayStation Plus codes listed on eBay. 2 codes were purchased at 2:27 p.m. EST. About 30 minutes later, I sent the codes. Right after I sent it, the same person bought the 3rd and final code. And then he was like, can I get the last code? But I asked him, okay, I will send you the code, but you gotta let me know, did the other 2 codes work out okay? And then he was like, yep, the other 2 codes were good. So then I was thinking, okay, this is perfect, because then he can't say the codes didn't work because he literally told me the codes worked. So he can't get me from there. An hour passes by and then I sent him the 3rd and final code. 2 minutes later, I get an email from eBay basically saying the person who purchased those codes from me wasn't the real account owner. So basically he was saying, oh yeah, somebody hacked into my account and bought these PlayStation codes. Now, I guess it could be possible, but what I find very suspicious is that how come after he purchased the first set of PlayStation codes, he didn't report the account making fraudulent transactions. This person had an entire 1 hour and 30 minutes to report these fraudulent transactions, but he didn't. He reported it only after I sent the 3rd code. So this is what made me think like, yeah, this guy is total BS. So now we're gonna see if we can call eBay and see what they can do for me. Personally, I think I've lost that money. It's about $135, and this especially sucks following my huge flop last episode, which cost me a lot of money. And now this happens, it sucks. The $135, I know it's not a lot of money for some people, but it's still $135. I don't mind spending an hour on the phone for that money. Hello?
Thank you for your loyalty. What can I resolve for you today?
This is regarding a transaction that was made about 24 hours ago. I was wondering if we can look into that.
This buyer just opened the dispute with the financial institution.
The timing of the dispute is very suspicious. I find it to be a coincidence that it was only after I sent the 3rd code is when the person decided to report it as fraudulent.
Okay, I got it. Yes, I am verifying all the details for these ones. Have you tried challenging the dispute and verify what is the information that the system is requesting you?
I have not looked at the dispute yet.
We suggest is that you can just challenge the dispute and provide the information that the system is requesting you, and we will be in charge also for doing everything in our hands to provide all the details to the financial institution, because in this case the buyer just selected PayPal for opening this dispute outside of eBay. We will be explaining what has happened. As you mentioned, I will be providing the information about the time frames, and we will be able to look for every information on the transactions. In that way, we will be providing all those details to the financial institution and to get this particular issue resolved.
I believe if I try to open a dispute, basically, as I mentioned, it's a digital item, so I had to send it via the eBay messages. Surely you have the eBay messages pulled up in front of you. I believe it's making it a requirement to put in the tracking number, so I'm wondering what should I do about that?
Since right now the system is just requesting you to upload a tracking information, what we suggest is that you can send an envelope to the shipping address that the buyer provided to you. Even it doesn't matter in this case if the envelope will be empty. In that case, you will be able to use the exact tracking number to provide it in the dispute that this buyer just opened. I really appreciate all the information that you have provided to me, all those details. Thank you so much for contacting eBay, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day.
You too. Bye-bye. That's that. That's so weird how they want me to send like basically an empty envelope just so that they have a tracking number. Yeah, that's didn't expect that. So that means I have to buy a freaking shipping label for this. The next day I went ahead and sent out a piece of cardboard with the PlayStation codes on it. I had to pay like $8 for the shipping label because I sent it via UPS, because USPS takes forever to scan their packages in, so I hope this works out. I'll keep you guys updated on what happens next. Today is full of releases. We got Air Max 1 Patas, we got some dropping, and I believe we have more dropping this time on. Let's see how it goes. Oh shit. 2 processing on localhost. Got one. Two. One of those are probably gonna get canceled though. Right now we are going for a number of sneaker releases. The Yeezy boots, I was gonna go for them, but they are dumb expensive and will probably be even more expensive with the high taxes in New York. So I passed on the Yeezy supply release. I might try a couple of tasks on Shopify. However, the things that I'm focusing right now are the Air trainers. Anyways, it's just a minor release. Don't care that much about it, but hopefully we get something today. Alright, stock is gonna be stupid low on these. I'm not really expecting a hit. I'm so slow. Someone beat me to it, bro. Someone beat me to it. No way. Processing. No way. No way. No way. Please go through. Please, 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 please. Yes, dude. I freaking did it. I did it, and I was solving super slow. It's a miracle. Alright, managed to get a pair, and profit margins on these are looking pretty good. But the Jordan 1 mids restocked. These mids sell like hotcakes, so we gotta get as many as possible. Let's go. Alright, here are some of the things that came in recently. We got 8 Xbox Series X's. We're looking at around $1,500 in profit right here. The reason why I'm saying profit instead of potential profit is because prices are basically guaranteed by bulk buyers. I don't have to worry about crazy price fluctuations as we see sometimes with shoes. Speaking of shoes though, we got the Pata Air Maxes in. Beautiful shoe, beautiful colors, and beautiful money to be made on these. And also the Nike Air Trainers 3s. Not gonna lie, before I googled it, I didn't really know anything about these shoes, and I had no idea why these were selling for so much because I don't really watch sports. But other than that, I think it's a dope looking shoe, and I'm glad that I managed to secure a pair. Today, Final Mouse is gonna be dropping some gaming mice. I heard that this is gonna resell for a crazy amount. However, they have been teasing some like super strong anti-bot. I'm not expecting it to be that crazy. However, if the anti-bot is really good, then we're gonna have to go manual. It wouldn't be that big of a deal. But if it's not, then hopefully we can get a bunch.